Mazda CX-90 was created from the ground up to have an emotionally engaging appearance. It starts with the proportions. That relationship between the length, the width, and the height immediately defines the character of a CX-90. It is the longest and widest vehicle in our lineup, and the tires have been pulled out to the corners of the vehicle. It's especially noticeable at the front, with the long hood and the incredibly short front overhang. And this is only possible because of the rear-wheel drive platform on which CX-90 is based. The length and width of the vehicle give it a planted stance. They also help to create more interior space for people and cargo. Whether you're transporting luggage, bikes, a tent, or something else, you'll appreciate that it's easier to load and unload by design. Design also played a role in shaping the exterior of the vehicle. The available colors, such as the rhodium white seen here, have been developed to further bring the appearance to life. Mazda does all of this because design matters, because we believe a car is more than just a means of transportation, because every vehicle we build has been created to celebrate the joy of driving.